Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to see who liked you on Happn. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Happn application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Happn if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom side of the screen, we have the Explore, where you can check out profiles. We have the Hub. We have the map in the middle of the screen, the likes, and in the bottom right corner, we have the chat. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and see who liked you on Happn. So to see who liked you on Happn, you need to follow these 3 steps. First of all, launch the app and on your mobile device, as I already told you in the start of the video. Then tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. So click on your profile icon there. Now, look for the list of people who have liked you. This list is usually located at the top of the screen in the Messages section or directly in the navigation bar. So you can see in the Messages section, which is also can be here in the chat, and likes, you can check them out here. So people can go and check you out there. To see this list, you'll need a premium subscription. Once you can see who has liked you, you can like them back to start a simple, of course, conversation after that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.